Hi, welcome to Navoy. This is our newest Hydrafacial machine. It's equipped with 9 different handles with different functions. It can clean our skin and remove the blackheads and wrinkles and do the skin rejuvenation and makes our skin look more brighter and younger. This is the mousse bubble handle. The handle can generate a lot of bubbles which contain a lot of active oxygen and amino acids. The high oxidation of active oxygen can be used to clean, whiten, and repel mice. Now we do the treatment. First, we use the mousse bubble handle. We click it, and click here to enter. And you can see this interface. This part, we adjust the time. We click here to reduce, and click here to increase. And this part, we adjust the intensity. Here, to increase, and here to reduce. And this button used for clean our pipe. Every time after we use the handle, we need to clean the pipe. And this button to stop, and click this button to start. Now let's do the treatment. We use this handle. And we need to use this bubble solution. First, we need to pour the solution into the bottle and install it. And then we need to use 3 pieces of cotton sheets to cover our eyes and mouth. And then we increase the intensity to 3. Click here to start. After the bubble is normal, we reduce the intensity to 1. Now we stop. We let the bubble stay on our skin about 2 to 3 seconds, and we need to massage it. And then we wipe the bubbles away. We can wipe it again with saline water. And now after we use the handle, we need to clean it. We need to change another bottle. This is the new bottle. We need to use warm water about 40 degrees. And install it. And we need to click the clean button and the yes. And we need to put the handle here. Then click the start. It will clean by itself. Every time after we use the handle, we need to change the cotton sheets. Two pieces. And next time before we use it, we need to use 2 pieces of cotton sheets. And install this back. If the bubble is abnormal, we need to change here, the pipe. And we change a new one and put it in. If the bubble is abnormal, we also need to change the filter. It is under the cotton sheets. We change a new one and put it in. And use 2 new cotton sheets. Install this back. This one is the hydrodermabrasion handle. It can open pores, soften the cuticle, deeply cleanse the skin, deeply moisturize, remove blackheads and improve the dark yellow skin, and make the skin clean, white, and supple. And now we use the dermabrasion handle, this one. We have different kinds of heads. This blue one, it is used for sensitive skin. And the golden one, used for exfoliation. And this one used most of the normal skin. We just choose one according to the skin type. And now we inject the solutions into the bottles. We have 3 kinds of solutions with different functions. This one is solution A, used for deep clean of our skin. This one is solution B. It is used for moisturizing of our skin. And this one is solution C, used for cleaning of our pipe of the machine. And now we inject A solution into the A bottle. We pour all the A solution into the bottle. And then inject purified water until the bottle is full. And then we install the bottle back to the machine. And the solution B and the solution C are the... Now let's do the treatment. First, we choose the dermabrasion handle and click here to enter. This part also adjusts the time, and this button we clean. And also click here, start, and click here to stop. This button on the handle can also start or stop. Now let's do the treatment. First, we need to rotate this button to choose A bottle. And this button we use to adjust the air suction. And this button we rotated adjust the water. Now let's do the treatment. Now after we use this handle, we need to clean the pipe. We need to change this cap. And then we rotate here to C. And now we click the cleaning button here. And yes. And then start. It will clean by itself for 45 seconds. Shovel handle. This handle uses high-frequency vibration waves to soften skin cuticle, deeply clean skin, and stimulate collagen regeneration. Before we use it, we need to clean it. And when we use this handle, we cannot wear gloves, because we need to touch the metal part here. Now let's do the treatment. First we choose it. And this part also adjusts the time. And here it is the intensity. Normally we start from 4 or 5. And this one, it is mode. The first one is continual mode. The second one is pulse mode. Also click here to start, click here to stop. Now let's do the treatment. We mainly use it on our nose and forehead. After we use it, we need to clean it again. And put it back. This is the polymer atomizing spray handle. Combined with liquid products, the liquid is converted into mist-like small molecules by high pressure, and then quickly poured into the dermis by high-pressure spraying to achieve a deep hydrating effect. Now we use this handle, the spray handle. We need to take out the bottle and inject a toner into it. The toner must be the liquid like water. And install it like this. And then we choose it and click here to enter. This part also the time, and we click here to start or stop. And this button with the same function, start or stop. Now we do the treatment. We need to cover the eyes with our hand. The distance between the skin and the handle is 2 to 3 centimeters. After we use it, we need to change a new bottle. This is the new one. And we need to inject warm water about 40 degrees. And install it back, because we need to clean it. After we inject water, we just spray it until all the water is run out. This step is used for cleaning the pipe. If there is no water comes out, we need to use this needle to clean the pipe. We rotate here, and push the cap off. And now we use this needle to clean it. And install this cap back. This is a bipolar microcurrent handle, mainly used for the skin around our eyes and forehead. This handle uses low-voltage electricity to stimulate muscle and make adenosine triphosphate cell growth, and make collagen regeneration in the dermis on the face. Now let's move to the bipolar microcurrent handle. And we choose it, and click here to enter. This part also adjusts the time, and here we adjust the intensity. Normally we start from 2. And this one is mode. You can see the first one is the continual mode, and the second one is pause mode. And also click here to start or stop. And we can also click this button to start or stop. Now let's do the treatment. First, we apply on the cooling gel. Now we start. After we use the handle, we need to wipe it. This is a multiple microcurrent handle, mainly used for our cheeks, neck, and shoulders. Uses low voltage electricity to stimulate muscle and make adenosine triphosphate cell growth, and make collagen regeneration in the dermis on the face. Now let's move to the multiple microcurrent handle. We also apply on the cooling gel. Now we click it and choose it. This part also the time, and here also the intensity. Normally we start from 3. And here is the mode. The first one is continual mode, and second one is pause mode. Also here and here to stop and start. And we can also click this button to start or stop. After we use the handle, we need to wipe it. And we also need to clean the face. This is the bipolar RF handle. It can lifting and firming the skin. The RF energy will hit the deep skin layers of your body and stimulate the collagen regeneration. And now we use the RF handle. We click it and choose it. And this part also the time adjustment. This part, it is the intensity adjustment. Normally we start from 5. And here it is the mode. The first one is continual mode, and the second one is pulse mode. We also click here and here to start and stop. We also need to use the cooling gel. We can also click here to start or stop. Now let's do it. After we use it, we need to wipe it. And we also need to clean our face. This is the ultrasound import handle. At a frequency of 1 million to 3 million vibrations per second to quickly open the pores, allowing the essence to penetrate into the basal layer of the skin. Now we use the ultrasound handle. We click here to choose it. And this part also the time adjustment, and this is the intensity adjustment. Normally we start from 5. And here is also the mode. This is the continuous mode, and this is the pulse mode. And here to start or stop. And we can also click this button to start or stop. First, we need to apply the cream. I will start. After we use it, we need to wipe it. Now let's use a hydrating mask and use the last handle, cold hammer. This is the cold and hot hammer handle. It with 2 functions. Cold function, it can cool the skin, shrink pores, and calm down the skin. Thermal function can increase the skin surface temperature, accelerate blood circulation, and increase the absorption rate of the products. Now let's use the cold and hot hammer. Here we use the cold function. And this part also is the time adjustment. Here is the intensity adjustment, the temperature. For the cold function, we choose 0. And here we choose cold or hot. We choose the cold. And also click here to start or stop. We can also choose this button to start or stop. After we use the handle, we need to clean it.